In this video, we're going to show you how you can turn off your location on iPhone. We'll show you how to disable the location for specific apps, or we're going to show you how you can disable the location services completely for the whole phone. The process is the same on any iPhone model and on any iOS version, and we're first going to open our settings. When you open the settings, scroll a little bit down until you find this Privacy and Security option. After that, we're going to open the Location Services option at the top of the screen. You'll see this page where you have a list of apps that have requested to use your location data. You can easily turn off the location for specific apps by tapping on an app, and let's say I don't want Messenger to use my location anymore. I'll open Messenger, and then under this Allow Location Access, you want to set it to Never. Now Messenger won't be able to use the location data from your phone and use your GPS location and other stuff. This way, you can keep your location enabled for some applications and disable it for some other apps which you don't trust. But if you want to disable your location completely, then simply go back and turn off the Location Services option. The location will now be disabled for all the apps on your iPhone, but it says here that it may use the location with Find My iPhone if you enable the Lost mode if you lose your device. And that's about it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.